Good morning, dear students. We are going to start our first chapter today. That is the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Relation and Function. It is chapter number 1, and usually we find that it is a very people used to say that it is very tough and all these things. Actually, what I feel, this is the easiest chapter of your syllabus. Once you know the logical reasonings, only which reasoning, there is no mathematics at all. So logical reasonings should be known properly, you need to establish properly, then you can find that it will be very easy and comfortable chapter for you. Okay, so let us start with this one, relation and function. We'll see relation. What is relation? Relation you have learned in class 11. So once again, let us recall, if there are two sets, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is another set, 2, 3, 4 elements, then we know what is Cartesian product of A and B. That means that Cartesian product of A and B is written as A cross B, and Cartesian product is the element of this A cross B will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, that I have written here, then again 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, up to here, again 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, this is Cartesian product. Then relation also we have learned in class 11, that relation is a subset of A cross B. A relation R from A to B is a subset of this A cross B. And take any subset, 1, 2, you write 1, 2, yes, it is a relation. Or you write 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, take that 3 element, that is a relation. You can get, how many subsets you can get out of this? There are 9 elements of this, 9 order pairs. 9 order pairs means 9 elements are there. So how many subsets you can get? 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9. So the number of relation of from A to B is 2 to the power 9. So now, once again, whenever we say subset relation, we get confused. No, it is not like that. Let me define a relation. Say, I will not write R, okay? I will write R1. You think that it is R only. R is a relation from A to R1 is a relation from A to B. Whenever we say relation, there must be some relation between the element of set A and set B. That's all. Say, let me write, say any element of this set I am considering it by A, any element of this set I am considering it by B. Now, R is a relation from A to B such that A is greater than B. Okay. This is a relation I have defined. This we have learned in class 11. This is a relation from A to B where A is greater than B. Now, I have said that relation is a subset of A cross B. Now, let us find out the element where the first entry means the first entry is coming from this set A. That means first entry means A here, this is first entry and this is second entry. It comes from set B. Okay, let us find out the element, the order pair here, where the first entry is greater than the second entry. First entry is greater than the second entry. This is no, certainly not, no, they are equal. Here, in all this case, first entry is smaller than the second entry. Here you come, smaller than. Here, this is the first entry is greater than the second entry. So this will come in this relation. Again, this is no, first entry is equal to the second entry. First entry is smaller than the second entry. There is only one element of this relation. So whenever I say R is a relation from A to B such that A is greater than B, then in roster form if I want to write, it will be R1 is equal to, what I will write? It is 3, 2. Okay, this is in roster form. And same thing, if I want to write in set builders form, R1 is equal to, I will write in this way. See, Don't get confused. It is very simple. A, B. A, B means this is the general form. A, B, such that A is greater than P. This is row star form. Where A, we will have to write all these things. Where A belongs to A and capital A, and B belongs to capital B. That has to be written here. That has to be written here. Where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So this I have written in row star form. And this, instead of writing R is equal to this, we can say that here element 3 is related to 2. How they are related? Element 3 is greater than element 2. That we can write in this way also. See carefully. 3 is related to, I have written R1, so I will write R1. 3 is related to 2. Or instead of writing this, I can write the same thing I can write in this way also. See, I can write in this way. A is related to B if A is greater than P. Instead of writing in this way, you can write in this way also. Okay, one more example. Let us take one more subset of this. I take R2. R2 is a relation. R2 is a relation from A to B, such that how they are related. This definition is important. Such that A is greater than or equal to B. Now, what are the elements? No, this is not. No. This is greater than 3 is greater than 2. So this element will come if I write in row star from R2 is equal to what are the element? 3, 2. Then one more will come. Here in this case, A is greater than B. What about this one? Greater than or equal to B. So 2 is greater than or equal to P. So this element will come 2, 2. Then this also 3, 2. Then this also 3, 3. So in this case R2 can be written in this way, in row star form. And if I want to write in set builders form, then I will write in this way: R2 AB such that A is greater than or equal to B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Or if you don't like to write in this way, the same thing can be written. A is related to, since I have written R2, so I write R2. A is related to B if A is greater than or equal to B. This is all about relation. Plenty of relation. You can write. I have shown you 2 relation. You can write how many relation? 2 to the power 9 types of relation, because 2 to the power 9 subsets are there. So you can have 2 to the power 9 relation out of this. And here, out of 2 to the power 9 relation, I have shown you 2 relation. Rest you can see. So this is all about relation. We have come across all this in class 11. And after that, we will have to learn different types of relation, and different types of relation we'll see different types of relation in our next video. Hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.